Morning. Live from Daytona. Well, not really live, but we're here. We got in later last night. One of the guys we rode with had a problem with his Jeep, so he had to have it towed back to Jacksonville. We only live about an hour and a half from here, so he ended up just grabbing his truck and coming down anyway. We're staying on the beach in this beautiful hotel, and just an update on the Jeep. The front is riding pretty fine. You know, the PSC steering still kind of messed up because I can't turn left until I do my high steer setup, but I've already got the Synergy knuckle, the high steer knuckle. I figured that's better than trying to drill it out. I'm about to go meet some of the vendors. Hopefully, I don't know. I mean, there's not a bunch of us here, but if you see me down there, I got my stickers. They came out awesome. I'd love to give anybody one that recognizes me. This is me wearing a Motor-Built shirt. This is the problem that we had right before we left, because I did Cracker Ranch, I guess. Maybe some dirt got stuck in my pinion, and I don't know if it wore the pinion seal or what exactly happened there, but here you can see I have a slow differential leak. Luckily, I have this ARB cover with the dipstick on it, and you can check the fluid. So I don't know if anybody else is familiar with these, but conceptually it's a great idea, and obviously I hoped I would never have to use it again, but I did have to use it this weekend. It's a good fill port, and it's a good way to see if you've got enough fluid in there. I wouldn't even have come if I was unable to check it, but when you first set it up, which is in one of my videos about putting them on, then we'll make a little mark there to mark where the fluid level on the factory differential is. But we're good to go. It's making a mess, but how can you come to Jeep Beach with no Jeep? So here we are. Like I said, hopefully some of you are here. If you see me, you can get a sticker from me and say hello. Hope everyone here has a good time. I've got appointments with a couple of vendors to do some interviews, and I don't know, should be a fun day. A lot of people have been complaining about this Jeep Beach, saying that there's less vendors, and I don't know. I mean, people complain a lot, but we'll see for ourselves today, and I'll keep you updated about how great or how terrible it is. So, right. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you all around.